In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off lock sound on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. When you press on the power button on your iPhone device, you can hear some specific sound. And now in that video I'm going to show you how you can simply turn this sound off or on. So first go into settings and there tap add sounds and haptics. And now here at the very bottom you can find a lock sound feature. You can simply switch it on or off just by tapping on that switcher. So now this option is off, and if you press on power button you cannot hear any sound anymore. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.